In the depths of the ocean, fiery giants awaken, shaping the world above. We are the architects, they whisper, as molten rock dances to the surface. Each eruption is a symphony, crafting new lands and altering the Earth's face. Our work is unseen yet vital, they declare, as life flourishes in their wake. The ocean's floor is their canvas, and they paint with fire and ash. Together, we build the future, they chant, as islands rise and continents shift. Their message is clear. Even in the darkest depths, creation is possible. Embrace the unseen forces that shape your world.